channel. Chelsea J here, and today we are doing a cut crease series. This is the second episode in my series that I'm trying to create. I think I'm going to do it for about 3 or 4 weeks. So I'm going to do 4 different looks using cut creases once a week. So if you have not seen my previous cut crease video, maybe you should just go ahead and check that out. It should be somewhere tagged either on the screen, or I'll make sure I link it in the description box so that you can catch up, girl, and be on the same page. So today we're going to do a soft matte natural. We're going to do a soft matte cut crease today, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. I haven't been doing cut creases lately because your girl has been into the natural vibe, like just give me a nice base, bronzer on the eyes, and let's keep going. But today we're doing something different, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. This is just going to be like a casual get ready with me, hence I came as I am. Okay, I'm gonna change at the end. So if you're getting ready, watch this video, girl. Do your makeup with me. And if you're not getting ready, grab a glass of wine and let's just get into it. To start the look off, I'm gonna take the Anastasia Eyeshadow Primer. You guys know I love this primer. I use this in every dramatic look that I do, or any look that involves color. This is the product that I use. So I'm just gonna take it with my finger. Your girl did get her nails did finally. Okay, we've been waiting. Okay, we've been waiting. My nail tech, she gets booked up by like an hour, it feels like. So I never get a chance because I'm always forgetting, I'm always doing something. So your girl finally got her nails done, hence the fingers. Okay, I'm just gonna take the eyeshadow primer and apply it all onto my lid as well. And it's okay if your base is not just like super perfect, because you just want to make sure that it's flat. So it's okay if it's not like, if you got it like in the bottom part of your eye and stuff like that, because we're just gonna wipe that away. So that's fine. What I'm gonna do now, I did take a e.l.f. brush. It's just like a concealer brush, and I just pat everything down because I do have nails. I can't just get in there like I normally do. The next thing I'm going into is my Modern Renaissance palette. Y'all know this is like a oldie but goodie like type palette. We always used to love this eyeshadow palette. I don't know about you, girl, but I loved it. Okay, like I lived for this palette. I'm taking the Morphe 456 brush, and I'm just blending the shade Raw Sienna, and I'm blending that into the crease. So I'm using that as like my transition shade for the look. I'm also brushing a little bit up into my brow, just so that the look can transition the way I want it to. So I'm just taking those 2 shades, Raw Sienna and Burnt. I say burnt so country. Like, you can tell I'm from Mississippi. I say burnt. I'm taking the shade Burnt Orange into the crease. I also went into the Black Radiance contour kit. I used the contour shade in this palette to kind of bring the look together just a little bit more. I'm going to go into Red Ochre, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease as well. And this is like a really burnt red shade. So I'm just going to apply that into my crease and blend it. I don't know how it's showing up for y'all, but it's coming off like it's like a really orange shade, but it's not orange. It's like red ochre. If you have this palette, you know what I mean. It's not like a burnt orange, but it's coming off burnt orange on camera. But just keep that in mind. if you are following this tutorial, that I did use like more so of a reddish orange versus like just a regular orange, if that makes sense. I'm gonna take this Anastasia A2 and I'm gonna attempt to use this to cut my crease. Y'all already know I said in my last video that I'm like so upset because I can't find my holy grail brush to cut my crease, but it's okay because we're gonna keep it rolling. So I'm just going to take the shade Red Ochre and I'm just going to blend around that cut crease. So now that I have my cut crease semi, you know, we getting in the works, we seeing like it develop, right? I'm gonna take the shade, I think Golden Ochre and Tempera. They're the top two shades at the top right, well the top left. And I'm gonna use those as my lid shades. I'm taking just a regular e.l.f. brush to go on top. So what I'm doing now is just taking that Morphe 456 brush and I'm going like on my lid because I don't think I'm gonna do liner. Shocker, right? I'm just taking that on my lid and I'm just dragging it as if I'm doing like a wing, but it's like a messy wing. I will zoom you guys in so you guys can see too. I was going for this look right here, something similar. I didn't want to do the angle that she has like on her cut crease because that doesn't fit my eye shape, so I just went with my own eye shape. So hopefully you guys are able to see the vision, honey, because that was the inspiration that I got that from. Her name is Ania Makeup Creation on Instagram, and she creates like bomb looks on Instagram. So if you have not followed her, she is a makeup artist, but her looks are always flawless. I was like, let me try to do that. Let me bring out my creative side. So hopefully you guys are enjoying the creativity so far. Next we're gonna move into the face. I got some hair on my lip. Ghetto. You probably could tell already, but I used the Laneige lip mask. I highly recommend this mask because it is so smoothing for your lips. Like my lips are so dry because I've been licking them all day, so that's probably TMI, but I've been over licking my lips so they turn out dry. But this brings your lips back together. So if you have not tried this lip mask, definitely try it. It's bomb. So I have it on right now. I got mine from actually TJ Maxx. It was $14.99. You know, at Sephora it's like $20. So save you $6 and look and see if it's in your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Next I'm going to go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is one of my favorite primers right now. I've been using it for a while. When it first came out I was like using it all the time and then I stopped. So now I'm using it again. So I'm just going to take that all over my face. I did add clips to my hair just so that I can make sure that it stays out of my face because I'm trying to, you know, stay away from my lace. I need to get those clips from Amazon, you know what I'm talking about? Like those Amazon hair clips that don't leave the prints in your hair. If y'all would like to see me do like an Amazon haul, I can do that later within the month, because your girl has some favorites from Amazon that I would love to share with you all. So let me know if that's something that you would want to see. Awesome. So next I'm going to apply my foundation. So the foundation that I've been using is both the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I also use the Anastasia foundation. This one, the Anastasia one, is in the shade 430W, and then this one is in the shade 350 from Fenty Beauty. To blend everything out, I'm going to take my Morphe E6 brush, and I'm just going to blend that foundation out onto the skin. I'm going to take the Maybelline, this is the Fit Me concealer. I know this is like an oldie, and I know a lot of people probably still don't like this, but it's been working for you girls, so I've been using it. So I'm going to take that and just apply like a few little dots under my eye. I'm also going on top with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I haven't used this either in a long time, but we're going to use it today too. So what I'm going to do now is just let everything dry down, and then we're going to move into the blending. I'm also going to contour my nose, and I'm using the Anastasia Walnut. This is their foundation stick, but I'm using it as a contour. Usually I do cream contour too, but I honestly think I'm gonna skip it today because I'm not going anywhere. So it's no need for me to do cream contour. I'm just gonna take a powder puff and set my face. I'm using the Laura Mercier Honey translucent powder. So to contour, I'm going to take this Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to use that to contour. And I'm going back over everything just to clean it up. I'm using my Ruby Kisses brush just to blend everything out a little bit better around my cheeks. So on my lower lash line, I'm going to go back into the red ochre shade, and I'm just going to blend that out. And I'm going to dust everything away using this Real Techniques brush. Here I'm taking the Benefit. This is the Bad Gal mascara. Now I'm going to add just a bit of blush while I wait on my lashes to dry. I'm going to take the Becca Blush Trio palette. This is an oldie but a goodie, okay? I love this trio palette. I'm going to use that to add my blush. I'm using the Ruby Kisses brush as well. I like the blush helped the look come together too. For lips, I'm going to take this Sweet Tea lip liner by Morphe, and I'm going to line my lips with this. Originally I had used like a peachy nude, and I'm not sure how I'm feeling about it, so we're gonna go back in with Pastel Pink by Anastasia, because y'all know this is my jam. I'm gonna take this lip gloss. This is called Nude, but it's N-O-O-D, and this is by Anastasia. And then I'm topping everything off with the Fenty lip gloss. This is the Diamond Milk. So that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed the second episode of my Cut Crease series. This was a soft matte eyeshadow look. It came out really pretty. My eyelashes are looking weird for some reason. I don't know why, but they are. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have not joined my family yet, sis, what are you waiting for? Press that subscribe button before you leave so that you can make sure that you are subscribed and you are a part of the family. Okay, make sure that you join us so that you can catch our next video, well, my next video. I think that's it, you guys. I love you all so much. As usual, I will see you in my next video.